The Mini-Lab offers precision glass container sampling with multiple measurement capabilities. The Mini-Lab increases the efficiency of time-consuming manual measurement of container setouts while providing accurate and reproducible mold-correlated bottle reports. The Mini-Lab is designed for the quality lab or production floor environments and can handle containers from 2 different production lines at the same time. In this configuration, the Mini-Lab consists of an automatic sampling conveyor that selects containers from the production line and a manual conveyor for measuring containers independently of production. M. Hart Glass's automated Mini-Lab is made up of 3 distinct components: a mold code reader, the ISIS, and the MLP. M. Hart Glass's ISIS is an automatic dimensional gauging and weight measurement station that performs programmable bottle dimension measurements using non-contact precision optics and high-resolution cameras. M. Hart Glass's MLP pressure tester measures the maximum internal burst pressure of containers using a computer-controlled pressurized water power unit. The MLP can test 2 different container heights and capacities having different neck ring diameters and same finish diameters. The Mini-Lab sends out a container request command for a setout, and the selector automatically transfers the requested mold numbers to the Mini-Lab's sampling conveyor. Here, an operator is loading containers for manual setout measurements. The Mini-Lab is capable of performing measurements on 2 different containers at the same time, without doing a job change. M. Hart Glass's Mini-Lab controller requests containers, tracks the samples, and directs them into the measurement equipment. This controller, in conjunction with the ISIS and MLP, make up an automated Mini-Lab configuration. The mold number is transmitted to the Mini-Lab controller, which correlates the mold number with associated measurement data. The mold code reader is capable of reading 9 and 10 dot heel codes. Mold numbers can also be entered into the user interface manually during a manual setout if mold code readers are not an option. The container can be diverted to an accumulation area if that container is not recognized by the Mini-Lab controller. One of the features in the ISIS that sets us apart is the capability to automatically adjust the handling positions according to different container diameters. No manual adjustments are required for any job changes. The ISIS scale measures the container weight and saves the data in a bottle report. The ISIS can be installed with an optional push-up gauge. The container weight is being transmitted to the factory information process control system. After the container has been positioned to the center of the rotate table, a strong vacuum is applied to the base of the container. This vacuum is another unique feature of the ISIS that holds the container securely during rotation. The measurements are performed while the container is rotated. The vacuum, combined with the precision optics, accurately measures the container, including lean and tilt. The container is elevated into the optical path of the body lens, and multiple container body measurements are performed. The container is lifted up to the finish lens, and all the dimensional finish parameters are measured. The ISIS can measure 10 specific locations inside the neck and map the profile of the corkage area of that container. Another unique feature to the ISIS is a dedicated finish profile gauge camera. This camera is used to measure knockouts and flange defects on a container. A graphical user interface displays the image of the container finish with the measured knockout. The dedicated finish profile gauge camera also measures the D angle and can automatically adjust for heavy seams on the container. After the ISIS has completed all of the dimensional measurements programmed in that job file, the sweep-out mechanism returns the container back to the sampling conveyor. The selected container travels down the sampling conveyor toward the MLP. M-Hart Glass's MLP pressure tester measures the maximum internal burst pressure of containers using a computer-controlled pressurized water power unit. The machine can test 2 different container heights and capacities having different neck ring diameters. The MLP container pusher is designed to handle round and non-round containers. The pusher is a unique feature of the MLP. It automatically adjusts to different container diameters with no manual job changes required. Regardless of the container height, the MLP elevator lifts the container to the correct position and clamps the container finish. The side entry of containers, unique to the MLP, prevents water from accumulating on the sampling conveyor and dripping all over the production floor. The MLP clamp has specific inserts to match the outside diameter of each container in the setout. Another unique feature to M-Hart Glass's MLP is the built-in capacity volume gauge. M-Hart Glass's MLP capacity gauge uses patented sensing techniques to accurately measure up to 5 fill point locations from the top of the container. The lowest fill point of the bottle is 75 millimeters. The maximum capacity measured is 2 liters. The capacity results are displayed and transmitted to a factory information process control system. The MLP tops off the container with water to remove any residual air inside the container. The MLP measures the maximum internal burst pressure of the container. The water pressure is created with a computer-controlled pressure unit. The MLP displays and records the maximum internal burst pressure of the container. The container pressure data is automatically transmitted to the factory information process control system. The MLP conveniently tracks the performance of each container clamp. This maintenance screen displays the clamp pressure statistics and will recommend insert replacement. The MLP graphs the performance of each clamp, illustrating the clamp history of the statistical pressure data of each container setout. An operator confirms that the container has a marginal dimension that can be corrected before this container ends up on the reject list and is discarded. This corrective action will save money and increase the pack percentage. Here, the operator is examining the container setout and reviews the measurement data results of the bottle report. The benefits of an automated mini-lab measurement system are: you manage process trends, not quality limits. Automate the data collection tasks. Increase your process performance. Correlate data with specific molds. Simplified job changes. Measures multiple containers at the same time from different production lines. Reduces time-consuming labor for manual testing. Reliable, timely, accurate, repeatable measurements. And benefit from an early return on investment. With our worldwide locations, M-Hart Glass can quickly service any of your specific needs, from sales to timely installations, technical support and training, to ordering and the delivery of spare parts. To learn more about M-Hart Glass products, please contact your M-Hart Glass representative.